Good morning, dear students. Today I will give the exercise from the chapter 7, exercise and postures. Exercise and postures. Exercise and postures. Now come to the fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks. First one. Fill in the blanks. First one. Our body is strong if its muscles are strong. If its muscles are strong. Second one, we must take exercise daily. Exercise daily. We must take exercise daily. Exercise regulates the digestion. Exercise regulates the digestion. Exercise regulates the digestion. Posture means proper position of our body when we sit, stand or walk. Posture means proper position. Posture means proper position of our body when we sit, stand or walk. We must keep our limbs in proper position. Limbs in proper position. This is the fill in the blanks. First one, muscles. Second one, exercise. Third one, digestion. Fourth one, postures. Fifth one, limbs. So, this is the fill in the blanks. Now come to the true false. Now come to the true false. B, true, false. In this first one, exercise builds the muscles. True. Exercise builds the muscles. True. Take heavy exercise daily. False. Third one, we must bend forward while walking. False. Fourth, built up muscles protects the bones well. Built up muscles protect the bones well. True. Fourth one, true. Fifth one, we must sit and stand erect. True. So in this, first one, true. Second one, false. Third one, false. Fourth one, true. Fifth one, true. Now come to the answer the following. Now come to the answer the following. Answer the following. C. Answer the following. Answer the following. First one, why should we do exercise? Why should we do exercise? Because why should we do exercise? Exercise builds the muscles. Exercise builds the muscles. Exercise builds the muscles. Second one, how is heavy exercise harmful? How is heavy exercise harmful? Heavy exercise is harmful because it shall tire your body. Heavy exercise is harmful. Heavy exercise is harmful because it shall tire your body. It shall tire your body. Third one, it shall tire your body. Third one, third question is what is posture? Posture means proper position. Posture means proper position. Posture means proper position of our body. Posture means proper position of our body when we sit, stand or walk. Sit, stand or walk. When we sit, stand or walk. You can see that first answer is the why do exercise. Question is the why should we do exercise daily? Because exercise builds the muscles. Question number 2, how is heavy exercise harmful? Heavy exercise is harmful because it shall tire your body. Third one, what is posture? Posture means proper position of our body when we sit, stand or walk. Now come to the question number 4. Question number 4. Answer 4. How should we keep our posture while we sit and stand? We must sit and stand erect. We must sit and stand erect. Answer 5. We must sit and stand erect. How should we keep our body while walking? We must keep upright while walking. How should we keep our body while walking? We keep our body while walking. We must keep upright. We must keep our body upright while walking. We must keep our body upright. Our body upright while walking. Upright while walking. We must keep our body upright while walking. This is the lesson 7, exercise and posture, and this chapter you will write in your copy. Chapter 7 completed.